Sometimes, it's not about dressing up. It's about how you feel when you walk into a room. Confidence. Elegance. Presence. Every special night deserves a look that speaks for you, before you even say a word. Today, we're sharing 4 timeless pieces designed to elevate your style, your confidence, and your unforgettable moments. Woman Evening Party Dress, Elegant Black Long Dress. This elegant black long dress is made for women who love timeless beauty. A refined silhouette, graceful lines, and a look that turns every entrance into a statement. Perfect for evening parties, formal dinners, and unforgettable nights. Women's Formal Evening Party Dress, Sophisticated Long Black Dress. Sophisticated. Feminine. Powerful. This formal evening party dress is designed for elegance that never fades. Ideal for special celebrations where confidence and style go hand in hand. Chic women's vintage long sleeve coat. When the night gets cooler, elegance stays warm. This chic vintage long sleeve coat adds character, class, and timeless charm, the perfect finishing touch for any refined evening look. Ideal for special celebrations where confidence and style go hand in hand. Women's thigh-high stiletto boots, pointed toe party heels. Every look deserves the right step. These thigh-high stiletto boots bring bold elegance and confidence, transforming your outfit into a powerful statement from head to toe. And now, something special for you. We love rewarding our community. We'll be giving away exclusive gifts to those who subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us grow, and we want to grow with you. Style is more than fashion. It's how you express who you are. Stay with us for more elegant looks, fashion inspiration, and special surprises made just for our subscribers. Subscribe. Comment. Be part of our journey.